Good morning, students of class 7. Today now I am going to discuss exercise 15D from question number 7. The previous day we have discussed question number 1 to question number 6. So today question number 7 I am going to discuss. Students, Pythagoras theorem is going on. Question number 7 here tells that the lengths of the sides of some triangles are given below. Which of these are right triangle? Actually right angled. Okay, so the converse theorem of Pythagoras tells that a triangle will be right triangle if the hypotenuse square equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, so here a equal to 15, b equal to 20 and c equal to 25 centimeter is given. So look at a equal to 15, b equal to 20 and c equal to 25. So first of all check that here c square equal to a square plus b square gives or not. Okay, c square equal to a square plus b square gives or not. If c square is equal to a square plus b square gives, then you can say that the triangle will be right angle triangle. So here c is given 25 centimeter, a is given 15 centimeter and b is given 20 centimeter. Okay, so just put in the above equation, we can see that c the value is 25, that whole square equal to c square is given equal to equal to 25 whole square, that means 625. Okay, also a square plus b square, a square plus b square gives 15 square plus 20 square. Okay, square means friends 225 and 20 square means 400. So if you will add, you will get 625. So that means, so you can write that, so here c square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, so here c square equal to a square plus b square, that means the triangle will be right angle triangle. Okay, so in this way you have to be solve. Clear friends? On the question of question number 7, the same process. Now question number 8 here tells that in triangle ABC, angle B is 35, angle C is 55 degree. Write which of the following is true. Students, here angle B equal to 35 degree, angle C equal to 55 degree. Okay, so write which of the following is true. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is right or wrong? So first of all, see that if you will add angle B plus angle C, then you will get 90 degree. So obviously angle A will be 90. Okay, as we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here angle B plus angle C gives 35 plus 55, that means 90 degree. So obviously angle A will be 90. So the figure will be like as this one. So here angle B, suppose angle B this one, angle C this one, angle A this one. Okay, so angle B and angle C is given, so angle A will be here 90 degree. So the opposite of right angle, we know that the line segment is hypotenuse, that means BC will be the hypotenuse here. That means here AC square plus AB square will be equal to BC square. So number 1 will be wrong. Okay, number 2, here AB square equal to BC square plus AC square, this is also wrong. So the number 3rd is correct. So BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. So 3rd one is the true. Okay, this one, 3rd one. Okay, next number 9. Question number 9 here tells that a 15-meter long ladder is placed against a wall to reach a window 12 meter high. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. You can see here the picture is given. So ABC, look at like as a triangle. So BC is the wall, AC is the foot, that is the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall AC, and AB is the ladder. Okay, so the distance of the ladder, actually the length of the ladder is 15 meter, and the given here the measurement of wall is 12 meter. So very easily you can find out the value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So here AC will be, that means AC square will be AB square minus BC square. AC square equal to AB square minus BC square. This formula you have to be applied. From where you have to get this formula? From Pythagoras. In Pythagoras theorem we know that hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. So here when you have to find out the base or height, then this formula you have to be applied. Okay, so here base you have to find out. So here base is AC, so that means AC square will be equal to hypotenuse square minus height square. That means hypotenuse is AB, that means AB square minus height means here BC, so BC square. Just put the value of AB and BC, so we will get the required answer. Okay, let's see. Here AC square equal to AB square minus BC square. AB is given here 15, so it will be 15 square minus BC square means here BC is 12, so 12 square. Now 15 square means 225 and 12 square means 144. So subtract it, you will get 81. Okay, so AC square equal to 81, so that means the value of AC will be root over of 81, and root 81 means only 9. Okay, so that means the distance from the foot of the ladder to the wall is 9 meter. Understand? So in this way you have to be solved. Here question number 9. Okay, students, here question number 10. tells that a 5-meter long ladder, when set against the wall of the house, reaches a height of 4.8 meter. How far is the foot of the ladder from the wall? The same type of question as question number 9. So do it yourself. Now question number 11 here tells that a tree is broken by the wind but does not separate. Okay, a tree is broken by the wind but does not separate if the point from where it breaks is 9 meter above the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from its foot. Find out the total height of the tree before it broke. Students, on the case of storm, when actually wind cannot break down a tree, storm, to break down a tree, it is needed a storm. Okay, so suppose that this is a tree, big tree. Okay, now this tree broke down from here, this point, and this part broke down and meet to the soil, and this point and this point, that means the foot of the tree, and touches the point where the branches touches the point. This is okay, this one, that means this one will be like this point broken like this, and this one broken like this. Okay, so if you take, so this point actually this one. Okay, so take this one is A point, suppose this one is B, this one C, and this one D. Now actually AB is actually the BD. AB is equal to here BD. Okay, here AB is equal to BD. The top of the branch AB is equal to here BD. BD means here a hypotenuse. Okay, and also in the question here tells that if the point from where it breaks is 9 meter above the ground, that means this one is given here, BC is given 9 meter, BC, this point, okay, is given 9 meter. Also and the top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter. So if the point from where it breaks is 9 meter above the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the foot, that means CD is given here 12 meter. CD is given here 12 meter. So first of all you have to find out BD by using Pythagoras theorem. So here BD square will be equal to BC square plus CD square. Okay, that means BD square equal to, you have to write BD square equal to write BC square plus CD square. BC is here 9, so 9 square plus CD means here 12, so 12 square. So that means 9 square means 81, and 12 square means 144. If you will add, you will get 225. So if BD square is 225, then only BD will be 15. Root over of 225, that means if you will do the prime factorization, then you will get here 15. So here BD you will get 15 meter. So since here BD is equal to AB, that means AB also will be 15. Clear? So here AB is 15 and BC is 9. So that means total length of the tree will be 15 plus 9, that means 24 meter. Okay, so here the total length of the tree will be 24 meter. Understand? So hope that you can do it yourself. Question number 11. So students, today you have to be do question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These 5 questions yourself. Okay, these 5 questions yourself. Next day we will discuss question number 12 to question number 18. So that's all for today. Thank you.